Hi everybody, Jim at BYOAR. Today's quick tip is clearing a misfire or a malfunction. So you're at the range and your gun doesn't go off. You pull the trigger, you hear snap, and you've had a misfire, or you've had some other malfunction that causes you to have to stop firing. So when I was in the Army 30 years ago, we had this thing called SPORTS, and it's an acronym, SPORTS, it stands for slap, pull, observe, release, tap, and squeeze. I'm going to demonstrate that for you. So, make sure I'm empty. And you're shooting, and you've had a misfire. So the first thing you do, slap the bottom of your magazine, make sure your magazine's fully seated. You're going to pull your charging handle, observe the chamber, make sure there isn't a round stuck in there, make sure everything's good to go, everything looks normal in there. You're going to release the charging handle. You're going to tap the forward assist to make sure that you've gone completely into battery, and then you're going to squeeze your trigger, SPORTS. Now, if you've had another malfunction or a misfire at that point, it's time to stop and figure out something else might be going on. But for a single shot misfire, that should solve your problem. If it was a bad round or something, could be a host of things, but that's an easy way to solve a misfire or a malfunction at the range. BYOAR, we believe you don't have to be an expert to build your own AR, to maintain it or upgrade it. We're here to help. Thank you.